Are you looking for the best LCD microscope? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best LCD microscope on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Andonstar AD210 Microscope. The Andonstar AD210 digital microscope is a versatile and high-definition device designed for electronics and soldering applications. It features a 10.1-inch adjustable LCD screen and provides a magnification of up to 260x, supported by a 2-megapixel HD sensor. The microscope offers multiple video resolutions, including FHD 1920 by 1080 at 30 fps, and supports photo resolutions up to 12 4032 by 3024 in JPG format. It comes equipped with 2 fill lights, built-in LEDs, and supports storage via a microSD card, up to 32 GB, not included. The device is powered via USB 5V DC and includes a sturdy metal stand measuring 18 cm x 20 cm x 32 cm, certified with CE, FCC, and RoHS standards. It supports 12 languages, including English, Chinese, French, and more. The package includes the microscope, a metal stand, remote control, dimmer cable, metal clips, and a user manual, along with a 1-year warranty. Compact and portable, the AD210 is ideal for detailed inspections in PCB, SMD soldering and other precision tasks. Number 2. Andonstar AD409 Microscope. The Andonstar AD409 HDMI digital microscope is a high-definition, portable, and digital video microscope designed for versatile applications such as PCB soldering. It features a 10.1-inch LCD screen and offers a magnification ratio of up to 300x on a 27-inch monitor. Equipped with a 4-megapixel high-definition sensor, it supports video output in various resolutions, including UHD 2880 by 2160 at 24 fps and HD 1280 by 720 at 120 fps, with videos saved in MP4 format. Their microscope also supports photo resolution up to 4032 by 3024, 12 MP, in JPG format. Made from durable metal and ABS material, it includes a metal base, optical bracket, and accessories like an HDMI cable and remote control. It is powered by a 5V DC power source and supports microSD cards up to 32 GB for storage, not included. The package also includes a UV filter, screws, wrench, and user manual. Certified with CE, FCC, and RoHS standards, the AD409 is a reliable and smart device suitable for professional or educational purposes. Number 3. EDM9 Digital Microscope. The EDM9 7-inch 1080p LCD digital microscope is a powerful handheld microscope designed for high-definition observation and video recording. Equipped with a 12MP camera and offering up to 1200x magnification, it allows users to explore intricate details of coins, circuit boards, insects, plants, and more with exceptional clarity. Their microscope features a rotatable 7-inch LCD screen that provides a wide, adjustable viewing angle, while 10 LED lights, including 2 flexible side lights, ensure clear visibility in varying lighting conditions. It supports 1080p video recording and image capture to a microSD card, making it ideal for documentation or presentations. With both wired remote control functionality and support for USB connection to Windows or Mac computers, the EDM9 is versatile for classroom, lab, or hobby use. Its solid metal stand ensures stability during use, and the rechargeable battery provides several hours of operation on the go. Number 4. TOMLOV 4.3-inch LCD Microscope. The TOMLOV DM602 is a high-definition digital USB microscope with a 4.3-inch IPS LCD screen that offers magnification ranging from 500x to 1500x. Designed for precision and versatility, this video microscope is ideal for soldering, electronics inspection, and other detailed work. It features 8 LED lights for uniform illumination, an adjustable stand for optimal viewing angles, and the ability to connect to Windows PCs for larger display viewing without requiring additional software. The package includes a 32 GB microSD card for saving photos and videos, making it convenient for documentation. Certified with CE standards and originating from mainland China, the TOMLOV DM602 is portable and user-friendly, making it an excellent tool for educational purposes, professional use, or as a thoughtful gift. The complete package includes the microscope, baseplate, metal pole, adjustable holder, USB cable, user manual, and a 32GB microSD card. Number 5. TOMLOV DM602 Pro. The TOMLOV DM602 Pro is a high-definition, portable HDMI digital microscope designed for versatile applications such as soldering, coin examination, circuit board inspection, and biological specimen observation. Featuring a large 10.1-inch IPS LCD screen with vivid color reproduction and a 178-degree viewing angle, it offers stunning clarity for both individual and group use. Their microscope is equipped with 3 lenses providing magnifications ranging from 2x to 2000x, catering to various needs, from full-view coin observation to detailed biological slide analysis. Its 144 LED ring light ensures exceptional illumination, while the upgraded 13-inch boom arm stand allows for maximum flexibility in positioning. Additional features include HDMI and USB connectivity for easy sharing with computers or larger screens, a wireless remote control for stable operation, and a one-button capture and video recording function with a 64GB storage card. The user-friendly design makes it accessible for students, teachers, and enthusiasts alike, offering endless possibilities for exploring the micro world. The package includes the microscope, a Pro Boom stand with a metal base, 3 lenses, and a 144 LED ring light, making it a comprehensive tool for detailed observation and documentation.